Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now this is the project to build a road from Harborview to Yalos. So we are now going across the Harborview Bridge, and this is where the highway officially starts, right as we cross over this bridge. So this highway is going to go from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. It's going through St. Andrew, St. Thomas, the parish. It starts in the parish of St. Andrew, goes through the parish of St. Thomas, and ends in the parish of Portland. This is the largest road project the government has on the way right now. A larger one is going to start soon, which is the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway. But as of today, this is the largest one on the way. So it involves 132 kilometers of road. Now, just to give you an idea of how long that is, they are building a highway from Maypen to Mandeville, which is 28 kilometers. 28 kilometers from Maypen to Mandeville. So can you imagine a highway almost 4 times the size of that highway being built, the length? So where we are now is the section between the Harborview Bridge and the Yalos Bridge. So this section, the road is being upgraded to 4 lanes. So from the Harborview Bridge to Albion in St. Thomas, you're going to have a 4-lane highway, a dual carriageway with a concrete barricade. And then from Albion to the Yalos Bridge, it's going to be 2 lanes. So this section that we are now is between the Harborview Bridge and the Yalos Bridge. So between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway, and the existing roadway is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. So that's where we are now. That's the work that's going on, and this work is to upgrade the highway to 4 lanes. So this is the existing road, and to the right they are putting in the additional lanes. Sometimes it will be on the right, sometimes it will be on the left. And they've put in those new light poles. And we had actually in a previous video said, why are they putting up wood poles? And somebody indicated that they have the concrete base. There is some concrete blocks around the bottom of the pole, but I still think they should have put up concrete poles, especially since this area is so close to the sea. Alright, so this is what the highway will look like when it's finished. Here you can see, we're just going to take a tour on it. So here you can see the dual carriageway. So this will be 2 lanes, and then on the other side of the dual carriageway, out of Jersey barrier, you have another 2 lanes. Now this section of the highway is scheduled to finish in August of 2023, August of this year. So there you can see the main road, or the existing road, that's going to be upgraded to the 4-lane road, the dual carriageway. So between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles, the highway will run along the existing roadway. Then from 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park, the highway will go over the hill. A new alignment, it will no longer run along the existing roadway. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, it runs along the existing highway, which will be upgraded to 4 lanes. And then from Albion Heights to Grand Spend, it goes over the hill again, taking a new alignment. And then from Grand Spend to Albion, it runs along the existing roadway that will be upgraded to 4 lanes. And then from Albion to the Yalos Bridge, it's 2 lanes that will be upgraded. So that's the alignment of this section of the highway.